Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to predict the next period's stock price using a Bayesian model, just to get a feel on how this model works. Now, in a nutshell, what this model will do, it's going to calculate an autoregression based off of the previous day, and we're going to use that value from the model to predict the next period. Now, a brief overview on why we're using an autoregression using the previous period. It is much more relevant to use the current day's return than say use the return a month ago or a year ago. So let's go ahead and run through this example and see how everything works. Now for modeling, we're going to be using the NLA package, and the only way I was able to install it was by running line 9, but I am using Mac OS, so I'm not sure if it's any different for the Windows operating system. And we're also going to be using Quantmod just to get stock prices, and in this case we're going to be setting our ticker symbol to SPY, and we're going to be using all the data up to 9/11 of 2025. We're going to extract the closing price, and we're going to go ahead and calculate the returns on our stock prices. So we're going to be taking our returns and regressing them with the previous day's return. After we run that, we can go ahead and get the summary. These two blocks should be one single block. So for explanation here, it's saying that the next day's price should be 657.21, and that's for Friday, September 12th, since we're going to be using the price for September 11th, which was 657.63. So to summarize on how that works, we can take a look at the model here, and we can use the values here in the mean column to get the next day's predicted stock price, which got assigned here in line 69 and 70. And similar to a regression, we're going to take the last period's return and multiply that by our phi value, and then add our alpha. And since these are percentages, to get the actual price, we're going to multiply the last price with the value we get in line 106, and that's how we get 657.21, which is the predicted value here. So now let's go ahead and run to see what the price is for SPY now. Now the market hasn't closed yet, and it is trading kind of unchanged, but I just wanted to get an overview on how this model works and how you can use it to kind of predict the price. So it's not guaranteed and it's not perfect, but I'll see if I can use this model for option pricing, since it'll be much more fit to use something like this for volatility clusters. But with that, guys, this concludes the video. I hope this was useful information. I'll leave a link down in the description area to my Patreon where you can find the script. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.